A spoonful of learning, understanding, add a dollop of foam. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a unique phrase that you might come across in recipes, cafes, or even in casual conversation: add a dollop of foam. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack here, especially for English language learners. So, let's break it down together and make it as clear as a perfectly foamed latte. First things first, let's dissect add a dollop of foam, piece by piece. The word add is a verb we're all familiar with, meaning to put something together with another thing, increasing the total. A dollop refers to a small amount of a soft or semi-liquid substance, usually dropped in a roundish shape. It's a term often used in cooking or serving food. Foam, in this context, is a mass of small bubbles formed in liquid. It's what you see on top of your cappuccino or latte, created by aerating milk. So, when someone says, add a dollop of foam, they mean to put a small, rounded amount of foam on top of a beverage or dish. Now, you might be wondering, where is this phrase used? The most common place you'll hear, add a dollop of foam, is in a cafe setting, where baristas are describing the process of making coffee. However, this phrase can also pop up in recipes, especially those involving desserts or dishes that might use a foam for a decorative or flavorful addition. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of culinary sophistication to any context. Understanding phrases like add a dollop of foam is crucial for English language learners for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in broadening your vocabulary and understanding of the language, especially in specific contexts like cooking or dining out. Secondly, it can enhance your communication skills, allowing you to accurately describe food preparation or orders in English. Finally, it adds an element of cultural learning, as food and drink preparation is a significant part of English-speaking cultures. There you have it, folks. Next time you come across the phrase, add a dollop of foam, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Whether you're in a cafe crafting the perfect cup of coffee or explaining a recipe, this phrase is your key to adding a little extra flair. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been as enjoyable as a warm, foamy latte on a chilly morning. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.